soap no longer floats in the bathtub and now sinks. It's more like, it feels different. It smells the same, but it's just a different soap. Not happy about that. I might have to write the company in my spare time. But anyway, so this is actually the original soap, which, again, no longer can be purchased. And I wish I would have stocked up on it, but even so, it only lasts about a year before it starts to degrade anyway. So this will be the very last time doing this. Now take a good look, okay? There's air bubbles in there. You can't see them, but there's air in there. We can prove that because it floats in water. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave. And first, let me chop it up even more. Use my scissors here. Okay, now, what law is this? What am I going to demonstrate here? Elias. Yeah, Charles's law. I'm going to put it on for 1 minute. And what's going to happen is, as the temperature goes up and up and up and up, the volume of the gas is going to go up and up and up. And you're going to see a massive eruption of soap. Like when I take it out, it's going to look a lot different. Will I be able to eat it? Yes, you can eat it.
What?
Well, I mean, it's going to taste like soap, but you can eat it. And again, I love this demo, and unless I can find some type of off-brand soap that floats in water, I'll never be able to do this ever again.
Paul wants to eat it.
I'll eat it.
Mr. Wieand, Paul wants to eat it.
I know I did, and I didn't find any. Maybe I can make my own soap. I can become a soap maker and someone make my own soap.
Wait, you're technically cleaning your microwave.
That's exactly right.
Mr. Wieand.
Yes.
Paul wants to eat it.
I'll eat it.
Paul wants to eat it.
I will voluntarily eat
I'm gonna
it.
eat it.
Well, you guys do have bad mouths. We can wash your mouths out.
Got it, let's do
All
it.
right?
Let's do it.
I'm just messing. I'm just messing.
Looks like a popcorn bag.
A little more.
Looks like a popcorn bag.
You guys ready for this? Are you ready to be amazed?
No. It smells like fruit.
There it is. A massive eruption of soap.
Can I touch it?
Now, I'm going to walk it around, and it's hot, but you may touch it.
You may eat it, Paul.
You may touch it.
Paul, we're eating it.